look at this little dude. Little hint at who we're going to next. Beautiful segue there. You like what we did there? The next team we're going to connect with is the Ghostbusters team. If you remember, last year they launched their Haslab Proton Pack, which was, my goodness, it was a year ago. Where has time gone? Anyway, if you backed it, thank you ever so much. That's fantastic. If you don't know what a Haslab is, where have you been? And also, Haslab is Hasbro Pulse's own crowdfunding system, which allows dream products to be put into your hands, the fans, and also encourages you to be part of the development team to decide whether a product actually gets made or not, which is really cool. So let's connect with the Ghostbusters team, because I understand that Pam is going to unpack a Proton Pack, which is easy for you to say. So let's go and see Unpacking Proton Pack Pam right now with the rest of the team.
Thanks, Steve. We're super excited to be talking about Ghostbusters today. We do not, however, have any pre-orders for you today, but stay tuned for 2023. Please be patient. We'll have a little bit more news. So on to the Haslab Lab, where we talk about the Proton Pack.
Welcome back to the Haslab Lab. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It has.
So today we're going to be talking about my favorite project that I've worked on here at Hasbro.
And mine my entire life.
Yeah, that's awesome. Egon Spengler's Proton Pack. I know you're all waiting with bated breath to get your packs in the mail, so we thought we would give you a little walkthrough about what you're going to see in the box. So here's the outside of the box. It's designed to fit directly into continuity with our Neutrona wand, so it'll look great on your shelf. It is fantastic and gigantic.
Gigantic.
So let's see what's inside this box, right, Pam?
Yeah.
Cool.
We have, however, unwrapped everything, so you do not hear the crinkles, and you can actually hear us talking about it. So here we go.
Cool, perfect. So without further ado, here's the inside of the box. So inside this box, you're presented with Egon Spengler's workshop work table. We wanted to take a lot of cues from the movie, and in the movie, Phoebe plays with the floor puzzle and finds some stuff inside. We wanted to recreate that inside this box. So we have this cool slide lock that you unlock, floor pops open, and you're presented with a bunch of stuff inside. First off, we have a box of phantasmical samples.
Ooh.
Caution, they are potentially sentient. So what are they?
Oh, they are some ectoplasm pieces from our awesome marshmallowy attachments.
Yeah, oh, they're super rubbery.
Super duper rubbery.
Check that out.
And we have 4 pieces in here in total. They come with these awesome little hooks, so you can actually hook them and then attach them to your Proton Pack.
Awesome. Cool. And what would marshmallow slime be without some marshmallow ghosts? Also inside the box, directly movie inspired, we have this ghost trap. And inside we have
some adorable little mini puffs. So it actually comes with 3 of these mini puffs in burnt deco.
Exclusive to the pack, correct?
Correct.
Yeah.
And then it also has these 3 alt heads, also burnt, that you can actually swap on and off your figures. So I mean, I personally love updating the heads of these figures. It makes that super satisfying pop.
Super satisfying.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one other thing to note about these, they have got little C-clip hands, so they can actually hold directly onto the pack.
So you can recreate the moments of being attacked by mini puffs with your Proton Pack.
Awesome. So one other thing that we have here is this bag full of stuff. Inside this bag full of stuff,
we have this stuff. So it includes our Egon Spengler journal, which looks great, and that Jared and Sam are going to talk about later. Yeah. It's going to include some awesome instructions where you can actually see how to use your pack. It also then includes some stickers. So some decals. So it would include the 1984 conversion decals as well as some afterlife decals.
Yeah. Put them on your notebooks.
Wherever you want.
Or wherever you want. Awesome. So we'll be talking to Sam in just a second about the book, which I cannot wait for. So underneath this giant tabletop, we have our Proton Pack. Note, it will be wrapped in paper, like we said, and all of this dunnage is still here. It's super well protected. But Look at how cool this looks.
It looks, I mean, it's so beautiful. I've been waiting for this moment to see this up close and personal, and it's so beautiful. I have no words, really.
Yeah, I can't wait to get mine.
Yeah, same here. Wear it around all the time in the office.
So check this out. Here, Pam.
Oh my gosh.
Wear it around in the office.
Ooh, this thing is heavy. It definitely is 15 pounds, but it is super snug. I love these. Ooh, these straps. I know we've extended it for our larger Ghostbusters as well. You don't have to all be my size, but it's super comfortable.
Yep, it fits from Pam to Jarrett size.
Amazing.
So one other thing that's in this box, it's all the way down here at the bottom, pretty tightly packed,
Super snug.
super snug, is our Stance Spengler nuclear accelerator storage stand. So inside this box, you'll have all the rest of your accessories, so don't miss it. Inside here, you've got all of your accessories. You've got a stand to display your proton pack on. You've got your hose, you've got all your connections, we got everything. So this is the last piece of the box.
Awesome. So I'm going to take this away and actually set this up if you want to actually call Sam to talk about the book.
That sounds like a great idea, Pam.
Cool, thanks.
So I am going to call Sam in our Nevada office to talk about Egon Spengler's journal. Oh yeah. Hey, how's it going, Sam?
Hey, Jarrett. It's going great here in the desert.
Awesome. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to talk to us today about Egon Spengler's journal.
Very excited to do it.
Yeah, me too. Cool, yeah. So give us a little bit about how this came together.
Yeah, so we wanted to make a unique backer tier for our awesome backers and fans, and we partnered with Ghost Corps, and we got to write this sort of addition to the world of Ghostbusters that kind of like sprinkles some spice on the canon. And we got to do it from the point of view of Egon, which was an absolute honor, pleasure. I can't even begin to explain how cool it was.
Ghost Corps was a great partner. They even gave us all sorts of behind-the-scenes stuff. They made this whole process completely painless. They gave us Harold Ramis's writing samples that were used in Afterlife and all throughout the other movies. So we got a chance to really recreate his hand. It was such an awesome project to work on. I can't believe I had a chance to do that.
Yeah, and so it doesn't just, it's not just the point of view of Egon, it's also, it looks like what Egon would have written if he had been writing a journal that whole time throughout his life as a Ghostbuster. And, you know, beyond what people are seeing from 1984 stuff today, you know, we had the ability to sort of feature some more awesome stuff leading up to Ghostbusters Afterlife. I think the rest of this book is gonna knock everyone's socks off.
Yeah, I can't wait for people to see it. It's awesome. Sam, thank you for your time. Know you got a heart out. We'll take the rest of this back here at Haslab Lab.
Thanks, miss you all at HQ.
Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, y'all. Hey.
Hey, Jarrett.
How's it going, guys? I just had a great conversation with Sam about Egon Spengler's journal. Pam, Zach, you guys ready to talk about the pack?
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
We always want to talk about the pack.
One of my favorite things.
Okay.
So we've got our Haslab Proton Pack here with tons of great features baked in that I think everybody's really going to enjoy. But let's just start off by showing you the classic movie effects. It's beautiful. And you've actually got right up here in encoder, you have volume control.
Oh, wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And
So,
is it rumbling?
well, not yet. Do you want it to rumble?
I think I do.
So to do that,
I like that power down sound.
love it. It's one of my favorites. So to do that, we actually have to get inside the cyclotron.
Thank you.
Both of these hoses are removable, but this one's still pretty tight. So I'm just gonna hold it for now.
And that's going to loosen when you actually use it more?
Yeah.
got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So if we actuate this switch right here, now if we plug everything back in, if I can see that, thank you.
And that's the bottom switch on in the inside?
Yes. Close that up. Would you pass me the bumper?
Of course.
Thank you. Got upside down. Come on. Got that all back in, and now when we power it back up, you want to put your hand on that?
Amazing. You
Can
can really
really
hear the
feel it.
rumble.
It's
Absolutely.
like having a real unlicensed nuclear reactor on your back.
Well, so that's not the only features we have. We also, God, I love that. We also included the sounds and lighting effects from Ghostbusters Afterlife. Again, if we head back into the cyclotron,
And back over here for you.
thank you.
You're welcome.
We actuate this top switch. You're gonna get that sound effect again. Now when we close it back up, you're gonna get all the lights and sound effects from 2021.
The Ghostbusters Afterlife film.
Close that back up. Now when we turn it on, you get a much more unstable sound and lighting sequence.
That's awesome that you can see in like the bar on the left where like the blue actually spirals. I think there are 13 lights there.
Yeah?
That it kind of cycles through, and then of course you can kind of see the red lights spiraling throughout the cyclotron, which is amazing.
Now here's one of my favorite features we baked in. See this ribbon cable over here? If you unplug it, just like when the mini puffs climbed in and almost ruined everything for everybody.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I love that feature.
Get that hose plugged back in. Come on.
And it's super secure, so when you walk around with your proton pack on, it's super stable.
Absolutely. Now, I want to talk about the hose we included as
Oh, yeah.
the first tier unlock.
There you go.
This thing is awesome and flexible. Thanks for bringing that over for me.
You're very welcome.
So, I'm going to show you on this end. Thank you. If you take your
Updated
Hasbro
Neutrona wand.
Neutrona wand and remove the battery tray, set that aside for now, you can actually plug the hose we included right in. Hold that for me. Thank you.
Cool.
And then plug it into the back. Just gotta match the keying. It'll only go in one way, so don't force it. If we turn our pack on here with the wand, and we actually found a way to let you control your pack from your Neutrona wand.
Wow,
Great.
that is like engineering magic right there, right, Jared?
That is fantastic.
This thing is just a masterpiece.
Oh my
You
gosh,
can
it
turn
even
it back
turns on.
I am so proud of this. We've baked in a lot of great content that I think you guys are really gonna like.
This is going to be shipping by spring of 2023, so make sure you check your mail because it's going to be amazing. And thank you everyone for joining us today on 1027, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, y'all.